Human-to-Human Relationship Model, Joyce Travelby by Macy Williams. The Theorist Education. Joyce Travelby was born in New Orleans, Louisiana in 1926. Travelby graduated from Louisiana State University in 1956 with a bachelor's degree in nursing. In 1959, Yale University awarded her with a master's degree in nursing. She began a PhD program in Florida in 1973 but did not complete it because she died a year later at the age of 47 from a short illness. Her background became mainly in psychiatric nursing and teaching. The Theorist Work. She served as a psychiatric nursing lecturer at DePaul Hospital Affiliated School in New Orleans, Louisiana. She also taught at Louisiana State University, New York University, and the University of Mississippi's Charity Hospital School of Nursing. In 1970, project director at New Orleans Hotel Dieu School of Nursing. Until her death, she was the director of graduate education at Louisiana State University School of Nursing. The Theorist Work. In 1963, Travelby began writing articles in nursing publications. Her first book, Interpersonal Aspects of Nursing, was released in 1966. Her second book, Intervention Psychiatric Nursing, Process in the One-to-One Interaction, was released in 1969. Key points of human-to-human relationship model. Original encounter. The nurse's first impression of the patient and vice versa. Emerging identity. The beginning of a relationship. The nurse and the patient recognize each other's individuality. And empathy. The ability to connect with another person's situation. Sympathy. When a nurse desires to learn more about the source of the patient's pain. When a nurse wants to help a patient who is suffering. Rapport. Nursing interventions that reduce a patient's suffering. Human-to-human relationships and links you with your patients and can help you provide better care to them. So this is a diagram of human-to-human relationship model. The benefits of the human-to-human theory. It teaches nurses to understand the meaning of illness and suffering. It explains the significance of nursing and why we do what we do. Medications and gadgets are not the only things that are on their minds. It gives advantages to nurses in a way that they'll be able to offer the best care possible to their patients. Limitations of the human-to-human theory. It's a challenging theory to maintain because each patient/person is unique. Only utilized in distressed patients and situations, not commonly used in all states. How can human-to-human relationship model be applied? Academics. She emphasized the importance of communications as a therapeutic strategy. The concept of Travelby has had an impact on nursing education today. Clinical setting. It assists nurses in developing goals. It can help nurses understand how to develop relationships. And has had an influence in hospice care by assisting patients in finding meaning in their inevitable death. How can human-to-human relationship model be applied today? By research. Applied to the area of cancer patient care. This theory has been utilized in studies to investigate how patients find joy following a recent diagnosis or sickness. My view of nursing practice related to human-to-human theory. This, I believe, is a crucial tool for developing trust, recognizing individuals' respect, and demonstrating that empathy and compassion are important aspects in successful relationships. In a clinical context, I think that I have utilized this principle by presenting myself to the patient, understanding the patient's individuality and the issue, utilizing nurse intervention to reduce the patient's suffering and disease, and winning patient confidence through therapeutic relationships. This is Joyce Travelby. The nurse is responsible for helping the patient avoid and alleviate the distress of unmet needs. These are my references. Thanks for listening.